Oh, is there a doctor in the house? Pinky needs one. Don't worry, she can do this in her sleep. Of course, you'll be the one who will be sleeping.
Phew.
We'll just need to take a quick peek inside. Ooh, there's a lot of slime in here. Or is that normal for Sprunkies? Just asking. Aw, look, it's a cute baby Simon. And look, he's got a sister, Orin.
Huh?
Triplets? It's Oaxis. Okay, let's patch you back up. Uh-oh. Stand back. Clear. Oh, guess she's going to that Sprunky land in the sky. Don't worry, your new mom's closer than you think. So how about we bring you guys home? Here, sit back and relax in your cute new little bed. Now let's get things started with some cardboard. We can use it to whip up a new laptop. Come on, kids, the fun's about to start. We're about to play a new Sprunki game. Looks like we start by making friends. Literally. Just assign a Sprunki to each one. But who should we save for last? That top hat looks tempting. Are you sure the kids should be watching this? We should check on them. Guess Simon's a follower. I know. Here's something that'll cheer you up. We'll whip you up your very own Mr. Sun. Guess this guy's got some hidden depths. Either way, he sure lights up a room. Careful, kids, you'll get sick. How do you even have teeth? Here, let's whip you up a cardboard box, I guess. Look, it's your very own Mr. Fun computer. Of course, we could use a quick paint job. He also needs his hat. It's his thing. And look, he's got a hidden compartment. So he'll keep all our candy nice and safe. Let's just hope the kids don't crack the code. Still, they look angry and hungry. Hangry! But just look on the bright side. More candy for us. Oh, these kids leave their toys all over. Who wants to tell them there's no maid around here? We'll just need to make something to keep them all in. The cardboard store sure must be doing good business. Oh, wow! We've got our very own Sprunki game. Now we just need some toys to fill it up. Of course, a game like this needs a lever. Come on, kids. We're ready for our trial run. I guess you need to pay to play. She can afford it. She owns the game. Ooh, I wonder who she's gonna get. Wow, Doraemon! He's like a million toys in one. Looks like the kids are about to become quadruplets. Oh, I guess you could use a cat nap. Let's take a photo. Uh-oh, no charge. Oh, do you have any other camera? Well then, we'll just have to make one. You know the drill. Grab some cardboard and paint. We'll even make it pinky themed, even if it's a bit on the reddish side. Careful, best to let sleeping dolls lie. The photo's ready. And look, it's already framed. This one's going right in our gallery. Nothing beats a spaghetti dinner. But you know, a little sauce wouldn't hurt. Let me guess. Cardboard meatballs? No, it's our old pal Ratty. See, kids, don't you want to be like Ratty? He's not such a picky eater. Just watch. Seriously, this guy even eats yarn. I mean, spaghetti. You should try it too. Uh-oh, these kids aren't all right. Do you mind? Mom's on the phone. Feel free to take your trash with you. Hey, what's this? Looks kind of familiar. It's a blank Sprunki. Come on, everybody. Someone's about to get a makeover. Let's start with a little mix and match. Okay, guys, be honest. Be brutal. Maybe we should pick a color. It's a Waxus. Or maybe his evil twin. Okay, maybe let's save that for Halloween. Oh no! It's the flying purple people eater! No, wait, it's our old pal Durple. And he doesn't eat purple people, I think. Here, Waxus, say hello to your new friend. Hey, careful! Uh-oh, they're at it again! Okay, you guys need a timeout. Looks like Simon's got priors. Besides, you're just in time for the puppet show. That takes care of the set. Now for our leading man. Start with something real shiny. Looks like Clucker is the star of the show. Remember to place a magnet on back. First rule of theater, the real work's behind the scenes. Clucker's gonna learn how to fly. And look, there's no strings on him. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Clucker. Chess is truly a battlefield. Truly. Okay, she's following this paper trail. Who's been using all the TP? Orin! Calm down. Everything's okay. The roll's okay. But is it me, or is it looking a little angry? You know, I'd be careful if I were you. This guy can get a little hot-headed at times. Okay, maybe I'm not being fair to him. But it's so easy to push this guy's buttons. Especially when he gets filled with hot air. Why, this guy's a regular windbag. there's a manual. Should have read this at the start. Careful where you leave your drink. Well, no sense crying over spilled water, but a cup is a terrible thing to waste. So, why not put it to better use? Unfold some paper clips. Bring them together. They're just the additions our paper cup needs. Now place our old pal Vineria on top. Twist the clip and she's your tiny dancer. Keep going. She's got to warm up. Are you ready for her one-woman show? Hey, there's something in your hair. A bug! Let's put it with the rest of them. Ooh, Veneria, you don't look so good. I've heard of bug eyes, but not like this. Some cucumber slices should perk things up. While you rest, let's clean up your hair. I'd say you could use a haircut, but I'm not sure all that stuff is hair. Let's wash it. Soon, it'll be its nice green color again. In fact, you'll be back to your whole verdant self. Speaking of green, Mr. Tree is here too. Of course, he's brought a rainbow's worth of flowers. Let them bloom, and you've got some new accessories. Ooh, let's grab her mini-me. Something must have happened at band practice. Ooh, slime! Probably best to drop this mic. Hold on, I think there's someone in here. Whoever it is, they've got big eyes. We should probably clean them up. Let them have a relaxing soak, and we can clear all this slime. I think we should match silver with silver. Now things are starting to look familiar. Ah, crafting is busy work. Wait, don't drink that! Return those eyes, and that hat too! It's Clucker, and he's got a surprise for you. Ew, how did you hurt your face? 'Cause it sure is killing me. Next, this should relieve some bloating. You swallowed a spider to catch the fly? You know, you don't eat the napkin. Besides, we can use it to wash up. Wow, someone's pretty and pinky. And the mini-me's are here to help. What's under here? A kitty? Look, another eye! And a bow. I think it's time to make some faces. Let's just hope it stays that way. Wow, those scissors sure are sharp. Just what we need for our next game. Hey, it's our old pal Bubba Fant. Sadness too? Noticing a pattern here? Let's see who's behind curtain number 3. It's a little hard to make out. Hold on. I think it's Sky. Or it used to be. Don't worry, we'll fix you right up. Want something to bite down on? Now let's add some aloe vera. You'd be surprised what this stuff can do. We're almost done patching you up. Now you can rest those eyes. Hey, do you smell something? Ooh, someone's in need of a good tongue scraping. You know, it helps to chew your food. It also helps to stick to food. How do you even taste anything? This is going to take some advanced scraping. Of course, brushing's important too. Rock that smile, Simon. Hey, who's screaming? It's Tunner, I think. There's a hit the nail by the head joke in here somewhere. Now we should probably clean you up. Jeepers creepers, you could use some new peepers. The Scarecrow's not the only one who needs a brain. Forget the wizard. The Mini-Me's are here to help. Seems simple enough. Just gotta match the colors. Okay, we're almost done. Just a few more matches. Hold on, I don't think that's quite right. Yeah, orange and gold are easy to mix up. Don't worry, Garnold. We'll find your match. We did it! And we've got a new brain. Bandage him up. Good thing he wears a hat. Good thing Owaxiax has got a hospital gown. He looks like he could use a doctor. At least let's make him a new mouth. Next, let's clear up those dry eyes. Talk about a full body makeover. Let's see if we can find some donors. That's it? We're gonna need some more. Let's speed things up. Oh, everyone's being so generous. Still, it's starting to become a puzzle, literally. Well, we just gotta take things slow. And look for corner pieces. Gotta love corner pieces. Aw, now someone's back to their old limey self. Guess Orin needs our help next. Now, you might feel a slight pinch, but don't worry. Next comes nap time. How about we check her brain waves? Ooh, that doesn't look good. We should take a closer look inside. It's not easy getting others to open up. Let's get rid of all this excess gunk. She's getting a full rework. Now let's just patch her up. Next, it's time to collect some vital organs. Video games really prepared us for med school. Quick, while everything's still fresh. Now just put everything in its place. Almost done. Just need to close her up. Ooh, she's sounding better already. Okay, wake up, Sleeping Beauty. It's time to join your friends. And look who's here, our Sprunki friends. Of course, there's some assembly required. But this meal doesn't look too happy. Well, at least you still get a toy. It's a game book, and we gotta save Pinky. Guess we're not the only ones with Sprunki on the menu. But it looks like the customer's full. Well, his loss is our gain, especially with this vacuum. Uh-oh, I think we cleaned the plate too soon. But now it's time to shake things up. Ooh, it looks like a lollipop. And it's the best flavor, all of them. Look, there's even a prize inside, a key. It looks like it's gonna be a great day. Of course, things can always change. Ooh, Mr. Sun, guess someone has their eye on you. And it looks like he wants to return the favor. But I think we should get things under control. Wonder Woman would be so proud. Besides, Mr. Sun just needs his medicine. But you could still use some color. And what's better than a golden glow? Glitter. Okay, a makeover like that deserves a key. Careful, it's terrible to waste good waste. But this looks like a job for rubber gloves. Hey, there's a familiar face in there. Well, half of one. In fact, a whole bunch of our friends are here. And it looks like we gotta help them find their better half. Just be careful crossing those wires. You know, I think a marker will work just as well. It should be easy, just match by color. Of course, we can still have some fun. After all the best roller coasters have loop-de-loops. Okay, we've collected all the faces. Now just add water for a quick soak. This key will take us over the rainbow. Looks like we're gardening. Hope you've got a green thumb. But don't worry, it's okay if you don't. Something tells me a little green's coming our way anyway. Just add some water and give things time to grow. Didn't I tell you? But someone can use a haircut. A gardener knows the importance of pruning. Looking good, Veneria, but you could use a little color. In fact, let's get something to really help perk you up. Wait, hold on a sec. What is this stuff? Nuclear waste? It's supposed to be fertilizer. Don't worry, I'm sure we can fix things. I'm sure we can find some sort of antidote. Here, this stuff might work. What you need is a quick spritz. You'll be good as new. Besides, green really is your color. Especially when it comes in key form. Now it's time for a little screen time. But first, we're gonna need an adapter. Ratty's got just what we need, I hope. One of these spikes has to be just the thing. Things are always in the last place you look. Time to get plugged in. Oh, hello, computer. You have one chance? To do what? Save Sprunki? Find a key? At least we get a token to help. Hope you've got some cat scratch fever. Okay, it's nice we're finding familiar faces. But remember, we need to find that key. We've found it. And we're out of here. Ooh, it's lunchtime. How about some greens? Oh, delicious broccoli. Healthy and looks like trees. But I guess they're hard to keep down. We hear you. Everyone needs variety. So how about we go fishing? Ah, who needs worms? Slime's even stickier. Still, I'm almost tempted to throw some things back. Either way, all we need's a good recipe. They just need some time in our oven. Sushi? That must be some oven. Especially since sushi's served cold and raw. Either way, he likes it. And here's your tip. Next up, we gotta make our own maze. But first, we need to find some supplies. Lots of emphasis on the fine part. Ooh, red paint. That's a good start. Looks like we need 2 more things. A plug. We're almost done. One more thing. Aha! A blank sheet of paper. Their powers combined make a printer. But the mixing fun isn't over yet. Throw things in and get something new. Like this cute toy ambulance. But it still needs something to drive on. Okay then, one road coming up. Place it where the ambulance can reach it. We're gonna need more turns. Of course, a maze needs dead ends. We reached our patient, but we still need something. Like scissors for all this twine. Look, Oaxis has got our next key. Our Sprunki friends look a little washed out. Don't worry, our emotion friends can help. They always make the world a colorful place. Now who could use a little disgust green? Here's looking at you, Oaxis. Next up is Joy's bright sunny yellow. I think this will suit you, Simon. Feeling blue? Sadness has got you covered. You just know cyan is sky's color. Flip them over to see how they look. Looking good. And so does this key. Ooh, clear. I think we found them all. Don't worry, Pinky. We'll get you out of there. Aw, it was all worth it just to see that smile again. Wow, a squishy unicorn. How cute. I don't think that's supposed to come off. Oh no! Oh, what's she up to now? That's a lot of water. It's gonna blow! No wonder unicorns are so hard to find nowadays. They're probably hiding. Out of this. First, let's make sure that lever works. Yeah, it seems to work all right. Now let's put it to the test with another cute little piggy and a balloon. Wow, it's really blowing up, and off it goes. You should at least try to catch this one. Wow, that's certainly different. She didn't catch that one either. What's she gonna do with this next one? We can make our own cute little balloon poodle. Well, if you know how. Oh, it looks like a toy car. And it's a wind-em-up. There must be something secretly special about it. Oh, what the? Talk about your transformer. And talk about man's best friend while we're at it. Why not have 2 in 1? How cute. Mochi squishies. Oh no, I have a strange feeling she's up to something. These things are going into the masher. Oh, I almost can't look. Well, on the bright side, those cute little squishies sure make cute little worms. It's like a cross between yellow eyes and clear eggs. And it pops just like a balloon. Wow, this one looks like a bunch of little balls fused together. Oh, please don't try to break this one. Stress balls don't grow on trees, you know. Someone needs to warn these last 2 balls. Please play nice with them. Don't break up a nice set like this. I shouldn't have said anything. Here come the scissors. Let's hope the blue one escaped. Ew, that's a face only a mother could love, and only to keep up appearances. Don't stick your finger in there. I wouldn't mind breaking a piggy bank that looked like this. Well, it said it would eat your money, and it does. Oh wow, a cute little robot. Drawing a line? I think I know where you're going with this. How cute. Mr. Robot follows along the line. Impressive. But can we make it more challenging? Huh, I guess not. But hey, walk or not, at least it looks adorable while doing it. Cool. Those look like those things people wear to a rave party. It's almost hypnotic to watch. It's like a spinning rainbow. And would you look at that? They fold up into nice shapes, too. A camera? Huh, I can't believe they still make those. but it probably has some secret purpose we'll uncover. Let's see. We put in some glitter and a pretty image. It's a three-dimensional sticker! Wow! Personally, I'm more into that talking snowman, but to each their own. Well, I guess optical illusions have done all they could with flat images, so now they're 3D! I swear, if this thing somehow turns into that impossible triangle, I'll pay double for it! Well, that was cool, but let's see what this magic napkin can do. Well, it can stretch it in and out. I hope the next thing's a hypercube.
Wow.
Well, guess not. But still, you can move this thing inside around like a spiral. These snappers are like really strong worms. Oh no, you broke it! I guess they're not too strong. Wait, I think you can put them back together. Just turn them into a circle. And thanks to the joints, you can fold them into any shape you want. First it's a plus sign, then it becomes 3D too, and back again. Let's see what this next toy can do. Well, seems simple enough, rolling a marble around and around, but things are rarely as simple as they appear. Spinning balls. Isn't that what balls are kind of known for doing? Oh, cool. They can spin on their own. It's like magic, or at least science fiction. Oh, the power of magnets. Truly the closest humans have come to magic. I'm not sure why, but I think they use this to train dairy farmers. Well, it seems simple. You just need to catch each one as it falls. If only it came with a few extra pairs of hands. The last one's always a bit tricky. Oh, whatever that is, it looks like a giant bubble wand. Oh, it's like a jump rope for one person. And you probably get a nice little workout from playing with it. Cool. You can do it with your hands, too. Let's see what's next. Oh, how cute. What is it exactly? It's like a cross between a cat and a raccoon. Oh, I see. It's a creature from the depths of the underworld. Those things are so hard to find at such a reasonable price. See, kids? I told you having an extra hand would come in handy. This should really help you reach up high and far. You can have fun scaring your date, especially if they made you pay for popcorn. And you can play King Kong with random children. Man, these cool tools just keep on coming. Catch you next time.